I'm David Reaves from David Reaves Audio, and this is the web-based remote control software for the Zen 10 audio level controller. This is the crossover. You can set it from 1 to 5 bands. If you have 3 bands, you get this amount of 2 different crossover frequencies. If you have 5, you get 4 crossover frequencies, and this determines the range of the energy coming into each of the bands. The processing mode sets whether the processor is operating in stereo or matrix. Stereo is left and right, and matrix is left plus right, along with the left minus right signal. Each channel can also be set to mono if you desire, so that eliminates the left minus right. The maximum allowed inter-channel gain differential sets how much each band, the 2 channels in each band, track each other. If they're set to 0, the 2 channels stay the same. If they're set at a different place, then the 2 channels are allowed to have a difference in gain up to that amount. The same goes for the matrix. Left minus right being controlled by the left plus right. Left minus right can be as much as this greater than the left minus right, than the left plus right. The input drive sets the amount of gain coming into each of the bands. Normally these would be set to 0, but for custom purposes, you can drive a band harder or drive it lighter with reference to the other bands. The ratio control sets the aggressiveness of the gain control as far as the output versus input. With a higher number, a wider range of input results in the same amount as if you set it to a lower level, a lower ratio control, and which would mean that a wider range of input variation happens before the output gets varied. The RTZ is a return to 0. This returns the audio processing bands to the nominal 0 state whenever there is no audio. The release gate threshold sets the level above which the audio is allowed to release. If it goes below this level, the audio stops releasing, and you will see red in that band on the metering. Release timing sets how fast the audio will be changed in level in an upward fashion. It shows how fast the audio will increase in gain when the audio incoming audio goes below the control level. The Zen Platform is kind of the preservation area. Audio that remains within this range stays unprocessed. Only when it goes outside of this range does the audio get release or an attack. The RMS Punch is intended to add a little bit of extra attack to material that needs some emphasis on the percussive side. It's adjustable from 0 to 10. It's an arbitrary scale. All of the controls are available for the left minus right. The gate threshold, the release timing, the Zen Platform, and the left minus right punch have their own controls whenever you're in matrix mode. In our case, we're using 5 bands. Each of the 5 bands has its own output level that you can use as a mixer. The left minus right output gain determines how much stereo information is being returned to the signal before it comes out. If it's a higher number, it will add more stereo, and if it's a lower number, it will reduce the amount of stereo effect.